Hi, I am Anna. I am telling you, when we sleep, the human body goes through several important processes. Before I am starting, please subscribe my YouTube channel Raza Amaral and please press bell button. So let's starting, guys and girls. Here's some points. 1. Rest and relaxation. Sleep provides an opportunity for the body to rest and recharge. It allows muscles to relax and recover from the day's activities. 2. Restoration and repair. During sleep, the body repairs and rejuvenates itself. Tissues and cells are regenerated, and the immune system is strengthened. 3. Memory consolidation. Sleep plays a crucial role in memory consolidation. It helps to solidify and organize memories, allowing for better retention and recall of information. 4. Hormone regulation. Sleep is essential for regulating hormone levels in the body. It helps to balance hormones such as cortisol, stress hormone, growth hormone, insulin, and others, which are important for overall health and well-being. 5. Brain function. Sleep is vital for optimal brain function. It allows the brain to clear out waste products, process emotions, and restore cognitive function. Lack of sleep can lead to impaired concentration, memory problems, and decreased cognitive abilities. 6. Energy conservation. During sleep, the body's energy is conserved. Metabolic processes slow down, and the body uses less energy compared to when it is awake. Overall, sleep is a crucial physiological process that is necessary for maintaining physical and mental health. It is recommended that adults get between 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night to support these essential functions. Thanks for you are watching my channel. Please subscribe my channel Raza Amaral. Take care yourself and also care yours nearest to your surrounding people. Thanks. Once more again, please subscribe my channel Raza Amaral. Thanks. Bye. See you again. Love you all.